Hello friends, Indrila from Opang Design, Craftata, New Delhi. And I just quickly showcase four of very interesting creation, which just has been done recently completed. And so these are very lovely cottons, and that's why I just thought that let me showcase these beautiful sarees to you. So these are Madurai cottons. These are beautiful Madurai cotton. The texture is amazing, soft and supple. Very nice Madurai cotton. And in that there is this batik work done. This is batik work, and I have added a ajrak selvage. This is an ajrak selvage which I have added. So the sari looks amazing and very very creative and unique. So this is the concept. This is the palla of the sari. This is the palla of the sari. These kind of motifs, these are all block, these are all done by block, the batik craft with hand block. So the rest of the sari is like this. The body is lush green. It is kind of a forest green kind of a combination. This is a forest green kind of a combination. And this is the body. This part is the body. This part is the body. See, this is the body. And yeah, this is the body color. It's beautiful, it's a rich olive, it's a deep olive and mehendi powder mix of a green color. It's a forest green color. And so this is the palla, this is the palla. Beautiful. And the blouse piece is also from here only. So what I have done in the blouse, we have designed the blouse like it's plain. It's plain with this dye, with this tie dye effect. And on the other side of the border, there is this the border of the sari is, see, this is the border of the sari, this is the border of the sari, and the blouse piece has this border only. So the blouse piece looks like this basically. This is the blouse piece. So one side it has the sari border running, and the other side it is plain. So you can put this on your back, this plain side on your back, and the sari border running on your on your sleeves. So this is the whole sari. Actually I almost opened it only. So it's basically this. So the whole body has this kind of a get-up, the whole body, and this is the palla. So this sari with the blouse is priced at 3750 including shipping. 3750. This is sari number 1. Lovely green color, forest green. Then it's a bright nice orange. It's a bright nice orange with big flowers. So these are all done by block. These are all done by block print. I mean the batik with block effect. Batik with block effect, which is maximum time. This is not a Shantiniketani style, but this is this style of block printing is done in the south. And so the cotton is also Madurai cotton. So this is a lovely Madurai cotton. See, the body has this kind of an effect. Beautiful orange, lovely orange. It's towards gerua, towards the the sannyasi orange color, this gerua shade, peach orange kind of a color. And so this is the border. See how beautiful is the border, and this is that additional border which I have put. And so this is the this is the palla, lovely beautiful floral palla. So that's the whole sari. And again the border, the blouse piece of the sari has this orange part is the blouse piece. So one border will come like this, which you can put it on your sleeves, and the other border is like this. It's the plain side. So this is the whole sari. So this is sari number 2, and perfect sari for summer weather, office going. And it's very nice cotton, lovely soft supple cotton, beautiful. This is not even starched. You can put little bit of starch to make it crisp, otherwise it's not needed. So this is sari number 2, 3750. Sari number 3 is a indigo color, though it's not a natural dye sari. It's not a natural dye sari, but it's an indigo color. Indigo is a hep color. In the color, earlier this indigo plantation killed the crops, and in the British time they had this was used as a crash crop, and and we just but now, since after this, the natural eco colors have come up. The indigo has taken a great kind of forefront. Indigo has come. So this is the palla. This is the palla of the sari. And see, these are the dye. The dye has always comes like this. It is in the, it is all hand dyed, hand colored. So this shading is all by hand. This shading is all by hand. There is no defect in it. So this is the sari. The body of the sari is so beautiful. The body of the sari is so beautiful. So this is the body of the sari. I have given this ajrak selvage, beautiful one. So these are light, nice, cottons for summers with a affordable range budget. So I keep making such things because it's easier for people to take, easier for people to drape and be comfortable, and also it's a, I would say it's Morpung's passion. So this is this, and the blouse piece is here. The blouse piece has this. This is the blouse piece. So this part is the one side is this the batik block has come on the one side, and the other side is plain. So you can put it on your sleeves, and the back will come like the back has this kind of plain work. So it's a dye. It's a double dye shade of blue, and it's both are indigos. So it's basically colored like that. So another sari. This is very unique color. This is a very offbeat and unique color. I could not even name the color after it has it has come like this. So this is almost a brown, and what would I say, it's a coffee wine or coffee onion kind of a shade. So what I have done is that I have given this kind of a nice block printed selvage, nice block printed animal selvage with this. So this is the sari. The sari palla is this. The palla looks like this. The palla has this beautiful palla. So this is the palla of the sari. This is the palla of the sari. Nice, lovely floral, simple one, because the rest of the body has this lovely floral, lovely floral pattern. You can see the cracks. You can see the batik cracks. So this is the body of the sari. Very smart and very nice. See, my necklace is going so well with this sari. See, it's going so well. So, and the blouse here is again the same concept. One side you have this, one side you have this border on the blouse, and this is the plain side. And the border, this border comes on both the sides. Only in the blue the border is not there in the blouse, but I have the material. If anybody is interested, I can put the blouse, the border on the blouse piece also. I have the material. So again, 3750 including shipping. Thank you. Just these 4 sarees. Anybody is interested, let me know. Thank you.